Let me just check my own audio on my little device here really quickly. What? Wrong button. God damn it. Oh, there we go. And why am I sounding like a robot? Hello? I'm gonna raise the... screw it. Screw it. Not doing this. Alright. So, yesterday's stream got copyright strike by the music in the background. So, I hope you're all familiar with the game Overwatch and like the sound of it, because I am keeping this Overwatch running in the background so I can get some of those background sound from it. Anyway. Jesus. Okay. So now that is doing its thing. I still haven't figured out how to mute myself on stream. Oh well. Opening soon. Alright. Let me just make a new version of the file that would make yesterday real quick. Voron-Tap. So I'm gonna make this window a little smaller in the corner there. Yeah, like that. So that way you can open this in the background. Alright. Alright. Direction, like that. Okay, maybe I do need those two. I would have to still just a normal one. Okay. Let's see. Oh, what the heck? Why is that thing so shallow? The boat should be over here, not there. Ah. God damn it. Alright, something. This is broken, so the boat is too far to the edge. So that edge gonna got some trouble in the printing, which is which is actually what we're doing in the corner there. So that version is have that bug there I need to fix now. And that's the hole we wanna fix. Ah, there it is, because the reference line is not, it is broken, and there we go. Like that. please grab the component that I need to grab. Hello. Yo, hello. Ah, I learned how to do free cat live. Oh yes. Uh, yes. If you see in the corner, bottom left corner there, that is the bug count for all the time that I ran into a bug on free cat that had no explanation for. Um, and to which I shall add another one. I I'm trying to grab a no. I'm trying to grab that line there to bring it to the sketch and reference it. But as you can tell, not exactly working right now, and I don't know why. Wait, did you see that? What? A small contribution waiting to put this on my Voron 2.4 that I'm building right now. Hey, good to hear, good to hear. Thank you. Holy shit, you are the first person who ever sent me anything. Okay. Live chat at least. Thank you. Okay. But speaking of which, let me just do this really quick. Add the bug count to bump it up to one more because it's just not working. Okay, okay. So last, now that's a 4 bugs. I have no clue why I cannot grab the I cannot grab any reference line here. As you can tell, so for now I'm just gonna take it as a dimension and make it what, 30? No, 32, 32. That is 31. 31.5. Come on. Yeah, perfect. I wanted to be center, but for I don't know why it didn't work. Yeah, at least it didn't break anything else. Oh well. And that should be collided out as well to make it perfectly defined. Ow. I hope nobody heard my hand clicking there. So what I'm looking at now is the dot model. Oh right. So it's too small to see on the webcam view. But from what I see from the first layer of the actually I can show you all what I have cooked up in Prusa slicer. One sec. If I can show it, it's just not happy to just really there we go. Show? No. Alright, let's show that there. Grab the Prusa slicer. Ah, there we go. No, not that. Not that. Ah, there we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah. So this is the thing that we're making right now. This is everything that I cooked up yesterday. Yeah, on the live stream that is not monetized. Not that I'm gonna get any money in the first place because this channel is not monetized at all. But yeah. The one thing that I discover is right down here when this corner. this corner here. Um, at first I extruded that. Yeah, what I did realize is that this little like protrusion from a perfect rectangle is actually causing trouble, and it the printer will make with this line, that outer line there will have a chance of just not skipping from there to just straight to there instead of making that bend. So what we're gonna do for to remedy that, and what gonna is, well, this is gonna break the software a bit in terms of the FreeCAD breaking, and that I'm going to remove that extrusion there to make it angle again. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do, and the reason that I need to announce that is because it's actually a very obtrusive extrusion. It is the this is the literally the first item that was ever made for this entire system. So everything else is kind of hinged on this, and when I do that, it's going to break something for sure. Hopefully not, but I'm not what's it? I'm not very optimistic. Why is that not done? Base. Oh no, that's not that one. That one. Yeah. No, okay, that's the one. All right. So that pad there. Was that pad there? What is that? Ah. Wait. What did I? What's that? What that pad? All right. Yeah. Oh yeah. So close that. All right. That pad there and that pad there. Those two need to go. And yes. Yep. And then I'll stop breaking. Alright, time to fix them all. I should have thought of where I... Oh, no, cancel. Before that, alright, I remember now what this for. Because I add 2 more faces to the system. FreeCAD don't know what face away what after that. So now I have to reselect all the faces. The neutral face down there. That's a 60. Out of curiosity. Oh wait. Oh yeah, chamfered. Yeah, and space and edges are now all broken. Or not all broken. It's just like everything below that point is broken. But before we move on, I want to check something, and that is the angle between these two. Why are you giving me that weird angle? I have no clue. Okay. Alright. What? That's not a 25 degrees angle. Hello? Is it? Oh, right. 25 from vertical? How's that a 25-degree angle then? I need to make this thing transparent so that I can see what I'm doing. Set that. Where in the hell do you get that 25-degree angle? Okay. Save. Let me go down, check this out really quick, because I still do not know what. Come on. Alright, that's definitely wrong. But I don't know. Close up. Right of that. Yes. Okay. How do we do this? 25. Right. Regardless, that's not 60. It's not 60. Oh wait. Instead of deleting it, instead of deleting the padding, I can delete, I don't delete the sketch. Yeah. Yes. So these two sketches should stay, or should I say this sketch should stay? And I should add to that. In the sense that I get rid of that first. Yeah. So I grab that edge and that edge. And I'm gonna make that there. Oh, wait, no. That one should align. So then cut all the way through the top. That one and that one should equal. And with that, I think, oh wait, no, and that one should fine. That way, and I can make that a 60-degree angle. Yeah, very aggressive, totally not needed, but it better it's better safe than sorry to have an angle like that, especially if your printer is a heated have a heated chamber. Screw and something broke. All right, cancel. All right, let's try that again. I did everything right. Oh, I could tell. Oh, wait. Yeah, I know what this is, so let's get rid of that. I know what that is, I'll get rid of that as well for now. Let's just eliminate it now and move that away. And let's close all that one. Yeah, there we go. Try to. Oh, there we go. So it wasn't specifically the feature that broke, it's the thing that come after it. And it only looked broken later on because I was because it automatically goes straight to the bottom, I think, to the next feature. But regardless, I should be fine now. I brought one more for the row. There we are, the last map. Next is to recreate the draft. So that one and that one, create a draft. Oh, no, not that. Cancel. Something was blinking for a sec, so let me just see. Neutral plane, I like that. 60-degree. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Now, I want. Oh, I can select this edge now. Nice. Yes, that was one of the bugs that happened yesterday. That edge was unselectable for whatever reason. So I can now create a chamfer. And of course, one would not work. I know that for sure, and that's not a software fault. It's just a geometry problem. Yeah, 4-5, 100%. 4-5. Okay, then 4-5-5. Yeah. I'll give it another 5. 6. Come on. Try to push this as close to the destination as possible, so it just. Oh. Oh, wow, this can go far, huh? Alright, there you go. I think that's it. But I'm gonna back up one bit, just in case something came up in the later. Yeah, so that should now be able. So oh, this should allow me to print this thing on the side. So if we go back to process slicer, it should allow me to do to print it on like that. So that's how I want to print it. There are multiple other things that we want to do with it as well. So yeah, one way we can do with this is we can print the whole thing at one piece like that, with the bottom that we just work on floating, like so. Which, well, we shall see how well that work out in the after that print finish. But yeah, that's that. Or alternatively, I want to print that piece on its own and that piece on its own, and then we just glue them together. And yeah, that's that. Of course, so okay, so that's work. Oh right, yeah. Oh, and oh yeah. Now I notice as well. That one not gonna be happy in the print when it came. Oh no, not that. Yeah, you can see there's a little. Ooh, we got like two like that. Yeah, that little edge there's gonna be a problem for the current batch. That's a bug. That's a mistake on my end. Oh well. Alright, that's this thing done. Option. Oh wait, no, that's the thing done. Yes, but because we did that, now everything else is broken. So, where do we need to start fixing? Mirror. Oh yeah, this to this point is all depending on the counting of the what you call A40 counting. So it doesn't really do anything. And it knows there's nothing broken there. But after that, though, this is where things start to break because it probably failed, lost sight of where it should be extruding. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Because we added face once again. We added face to the bottom. We add two more face to the bottom bottom piece on top. So let me just hide the cowling first. Actually, let's do that. Okay, let's just hide that one. Let's need it one more. And then select the face, go there. That's good. This one should show up nicely. I need to put this at transparent, not the top. To do this as transparent. Yeah. Don't know why I did not go transparent. Okay. How about transparency? That one? No? Alright. Yeah, I want to see. I want to see the notch there being made in the gate. This cause it's a gate, yeah, because it looks like that temple, Japanese temple gate thingy. So I want to see that notch being made in the gate, but obviously, FreeCAD just like, yeah, with too bad. So we can hide it like that. Oh wait, no, and then we'll still see it, which is not bad. Oh good, the gate has been made. Awesome as well. Alright, so that's that one. Go up. Down here, that broken, no? Oh yeah, that one just some assembly, so let's put there. Knock base. Yeah. these on. Oh, is it the dock face not showing up? Hang on. There we go. Face. Pillar 1, 2. Oh, the pillar, the other pillar is broken for whatever reason. And it is broken because it was, I cannot remember what I did it for. Oh, right, because it go off that gas surface again, so really quick. So I need to hide that so that I can see what I'm doing. Yeah. You can see there's a question mark in the naming there because it's lost track of what face is supposed to be attached to. So I need to grab that really quick. Everything else should work. Yeah. All good. Get that one. Transparency as well. Random color. Random color. That should allow me to see things a bit more clearly when looking at it straight from others. Alright. So how's my brain going? Let me just run through it a little bit and check. Yep, all seem good. Which is good. Alright. Okay. For now, it's a matter of, let me just make this thing different color. I don't like that. Not like that. Just looking. Alright, so that is that. So what next? Next, I need. So we had a make. So this is going to keep the tool head in place. Honestly, I think that at this point it's just a matter of putting everything together now. Oh, not much to do. Okay. Oh, right. I need to deal with this tool head. This item here. Because let me go to the front really quick. In this case, the bottom, because it's pulled out of the side. Now on the look at the side. Yeah. So on the stealth burner, that those two wings that poking out of the side there carry some magnets to hold the tool head to the dock. But for this one, I don't need to do that because I'm going to put the magnet into this LED's hole here. So instead of having some external, instead of having an LED where it is to light up the logo, I can just put a magnet behind that, and that will attract to a magnet on the dock itself, which over here, that hole there, and that will should hold everything together. Hopefully. If all come to worse, I can all double up on the magnets because I already checked and I should be able to fit 2 magnets back to back in there. So I got options. All seem good there. Just need to make sure that I got everything correctly done. Alright, that's that. So with that said, I now need to modify this to get rid of these wings because they will get in the way of fitting, well, 5 and a bit of, actually not going to get in the way, just it's not needed in this configuration of the system, but it should not break anything, so maybe I shouldn't be bothered. I don't know. Should I be bothered? I mean, I can literally just a single extrude. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I should get rid of it. I should get rid of it. Alright, so which one was that? The two-head side. Two-head side body. Make a clone of that. Two heads. Oh, head side. Head side. Side A40. A40. So, oh, not like that. Damn it. Not that one, not that one. I want to grab it from this so that I can actually have it on in the exact position where it already is. uh, oh, god damn it. I take that back. I'm not doing that. What? Green copy. Single copy. Alright, oh yeah. Like that. So let's just make this assembly now. So we have that one. I can't actually edit this because stupid, but it's an object, not a. Alright. Oh, come on. Okay. No, let's not try to reinvent the wheel here. Okay. That. Yeah, that is the original design. Don't want to touch that. So right. Two-head side. Two-head side. Tap and chain, yeah, tap and chain to that side. Change. Where is it? Two-head side. Ooh. Looks good. Honestly, wouldn't want to put this in this thing. Try everything else so that we don't disorientated. Right, but anyway, regardless, grab that, and that, and just cut it out. Cut it out. Up to base. Up to base. Yeah, like that. That's it. That's all I need to do. In fact, that's more like an extra work that I shouldn't be bothered. But yeah, I done it. So actually, should I? Yeah, I should do that. Because anyway, this item here in the body didn't do anything, so I can just get rid of it. Right? Hello? Oh my. Yep. Yep. That's why you don't want to do that too much. And I did this gesture. Oh, not that in. Add a new item. Haven't changed to a head. Oh. Okay. That. Oh. that. What's up? And of course, it just got to spin around. Alright, so horses as well. That should now be there. Yep, that's centered. So those two circles have the same center, and these two faces should have meet each other, which is a distance of 0. So yeah. Alright, this is a little bit more challenging now because that face also near distance of 0. Okay. And that way, let's see if we can do this. Oh wait, no, actually the assembly workbench is actually some of the latest workbench in FreeCAD, and it's very buggy. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna save it. Yeah, so you can see down there, it's saved. Oh, great. Yeah, you know what, I see anything. I forgot to disable the Prusa slicer. My bad, my bad. Alright. Oops. Anyway, just recap. I am doing some extra work on the two-head side of the tap and chain system. Sound like a word salad there, but it's basically that base piece there. It used to look like that, but now it looks like that. Simple. And the reason why I took that off, because that protrusion on both sides is not needed, and it's gonna take up more space, and cost the two-headed took up more space than it need to be. So yeah, that's it. Removing it is the best thing we can do for it. And right now I'm just putting the assembly together. Speaking of which, need to spin that now. Like so. That to face. Intersect. Not intersect. Match up. Okay. Yeah, because these two faces are at an angle with each other, so thus when there's two faces being parallel, it naturally meet up like that. So that's good. Now we just need to make that face. Make with that face. And voila. We got a fully defined assembly. And while I am at it, to its side underscore A14 body that time and change what's it called, rail side, yep, there we go. Ow. All right, so with that and now put everything back in the picture. Good, our work. This bar should stay exactly the same as V1 for nothing else, because I want it to be compatible as much as possible. Back end is fine, the model is fine, so now we just need to we're waiting for this thing to finish printing. So we're waiting for this to finish printing, and we can tell what to do next. What the hell am I doing now? Something. Let's see. Oh. Important piece of information that I should count for, and that is there are multiple style of A4T cowling. So I should should brought them in. First of all, save, always save, and also find these joints perfectly. But I shall add in the cowling, more cowling. Alright, let's just first grab one of these, see what is that gonna look like. Yeah. Alright, that's good. I don't need to, so I can get rid of that. I didn't bump out anything up, did I? No, no, alright, unselect that. Cool. Alright, so let's try that again. So don't overdo the spacing. Yeah, you guys cannot see this because I intentionally not shown, but I need to find. I'm looking for the ultra flow. You ultra high flow cowling. Okay, this is the one. And it may look a little bit funky, but the fact that it is flashing like that means that the two faces meeting. That's good. What is not good though is the fact is for the ultra high flow, the fan, the little LED hub is down here. So I'm going to have to well, I have to make an additional model for that. I also just realized maybe I should create a body for this instead. Yeah. Alright, before we even move on, make the part design, create a body. Why is it taking ages? Hello? Hello? Alright, here we go. That. Oh wait, no, actually, grab that first. I want that to be the first thing in there. The rest of them can come in later. And disable everything except for the cowling. Cool. Okay. So that is the UTH A40 U ultra high flow variant. And then I need to make another body. A40 normal, right? We call this normal? I say it normal. 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 Oh my, how are you? There we go. Got two bodies. Oh, that's another body. Okay, that's so. So now we can grab these two. And chuck it. And chuck it in there. Like so. Clean it up nicely. Dot. This one is normal, normal. Normal sound like an insult. I should call it standard. Standard. Normal. Yeah. Front. It's also a standard front. And Okay, that's the bottom is the bottom. Don't need to be bothered with that. I think the bottom is the same. I think. Okay. That's the body. I just realized the FreeCAD developer in the infinite wisdom make the use the same icon for the body and the body and the part. So when you disable when you hide them, you don't know, you would not be able to tell which one is which. Brilliant. Okay, okay. Enough sassy comment. Make a new body. Oh no, not that. Why are you in there? Oh, I don't like you that. Oh my god. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I shall call this one double-sided mono, what about that? Actually get rid of everything because we don't really need anything. Yeah, except for that one. Yeah, except for that one, no. That's fine. That one shall be called dot ultra high flow front. Dot ultra high flow front. No, and that shall reference with that one. One is in there, right? No, alright. Cool. That bottom also reference to that as well. Yes. Why are you having that? Okay. Whatever. Yeah, man. At some point I should print this out and see if it actually fit. That sounds like a smart plan. Okay, what are we doing? How do we swear this now? Well, first thing first, right? Face. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Face. Come on. Go on that. Yeah, I'll try my flower. Oh, what the heck? Alright, that's fine. For a second I thought it broke. Something broke. But nah, it's fine. Okay. So, that's that. Do I need to be super consistent on this? I don't think I don't need to be super consistent on this. Yeah. I don't need to be consistent on how thick this top bar is. Not like it doesn't matter though a whole lot. Also, yeah, no, I don't. Wait, that's the wrong way to draw the top bar. We want it to symmetrical from the center. So make that 10 mil. 10. Need to cut that out in a bit, but 10 mil for this. Oh, so, and I will bring it a little bit more, just so that we can see it. Alright, Alright, that dimension. 60? 63, 63. Holy shit, I think I got the exact number I did before. Alright. Put my things away. 63. Okay. Extrude that by 0.4 by 4 mil on the other direction. Okay, cool. Huh. Yeah, we need to how did I get the other one? Oh wait, yeah, I think I do it from this angle down, extrude from this angle down. And so that way I can get this meaty bit from one sketch instead of extrude from that face or that face. Okay, got it. Alright, so in that case I need to grab that surface. I did. Okay, make a random plane. Grab that edge and that edge. And got grab that edge as well. Swear to God, I'm gonna get carpal syndrome very early on in life. Yeah, because it was not meant to be. Okay. Okay. It is nice and sunny outside here in the UK. And here I am sitting inside doing cat. Just wanna make a joke about touching grass, but my hand is kind of occupied right now, so what did I just do? Oh, and it's occupied right now, so I can't do that just yet. Ah, focus. This one is equal. Myself. To what extent? Oh yeah, we want this to be 2 mil. Ah, push that, extrude that to face, to that face. Okay, because it's cut into hello. Sure, it was 2 mil with the other one. I mean, it looked close enough, right? Yeah, it was 2 mil, that's for sure. Huh. The fan cutout on this ultra high fold variant is a lot less sophisticated than the standard version for some reason. Oh well, more less work for me. Oh, spread. What's that? I got a notifications or something. Give me a sec. Oops. I hope the camera's still working. Yep. That's alright. Hit the wrong button. Got it to go a little haywire. Through all. Reverse. Alright. And that one I just mirror across, select. Why is it? Okay. Aspect 2 look like decent. Now we make the surface there. So I don't need this one no more. I just need that one. Let's make first. I need to perhaps edges. that edge, and one that edge. I don't think I need to do any more, right? No, I could do more, but yeah, let's do it. Right, the thing. Control. Oh, what I've taken over now. Nice. So now you extrude it. The face. That face. Okay. I'm drawn on a sketch. This time I want the angle. I want that one. That one. Doesn't matter. Oh wait, no, actually, just to avoid myself. Getting in trouble. Let's grab the edge from there. Yeah, grab that one and that one instead. Because if I grab it, or if I reference everything to the top bottom, and well, I have to do when I need to do what I need to do with top bottom. Like editing it, like earlier in this video, in the stream, it will have cascade the effect across the whole every other object depending on it. So what I have done here is I reference the this edge from the sketch that I had made instead of directly to the dot bottom. So that in that so when if this thing need to be fixed or changed, I can we only need to fix this edge here instead of everywhere I have referenced dot bottom. If that makes sense. Oh my god, brain not working today. Well, brain working very hard today, just not on this. What's that not working? Hello? Alright. Line. Show. I'll set that, but then you're gonna extrude this all the way to the end of the bottom anyway. Where we go? Where's this? Oh, wait, no, that one. Then upside up to place. And so. Let's check on line sale really quick. How's that going? 71%? Yeah, it's a 71%. Alright. So that's that. Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna grab here's why I'm playing again. Yep, that's the one I'm playing. Let's do this here. And top it. Yeah, that's top it. Yeah. Cool. Gotta wait out so that I can see what I'm doing. Oop. Wrong button. Alright. That's that. Extrude that. Oh, no, not extrude. Okay, so that needs to be cut. And yep, it's all good. Alright. Save that. Now that looks eerily similar to the old one, but for the new one, we need the magnet stripe to be down here. So go back to the XY plane. I still don't know why I flip it. Alright, yeah, it's top down instead of bottom up. Anyway. Alright, so let's grab that edge, and that edge. Circle, 3-point circle. Yeah, like that. So now we know the center of that. So we've got a centered rectangle. We'll pass outward like so. This is the point where we'll grab this guy and cut away so that we can see what we're working. Line, and that was dimensionally 10. 10, right? 6 plus 2 plus 2. 10, yeah. Okay, so that's that. So now, close that, we're done. Hold that, it's fine, extrude it. 4, we're in the opposite direction. Oh, why there's a circle? Oh, right, because I draw it as a circle. Yep, that circle is not a sketch, it's just a construction line. There we go. Alright, so another one. Again. Cut away. Now we make yep. One up window, one was not that. Go back with this one now. The construction line, right? No. Okay. Regardless, we're going to have these. Alright, so this one is horizontal, and that edge need to be 6 for the magnet, and voila. So now just extrude that by 4. 4? No, 3 and something. 3.4. 3.4. Yeah, because I feel like that 3.4 gonna work. Got a feeling on that last one. Oh, so now that I've done that, I need to cut this out of the top. So back to the XY plane. Hold on. This is such a nice thing to work with because it's so simple. Cut away. Get a circle out. This time with the center. Go. Cut that through like that. Oh god, this is gonna be a pain in the ass to pre-print it. There's a little curve here, so we need to go back in there and figure that back out. All right. How are we doing this? We can not use a circle. Yeah, don't use a circle. What you can use is this. Cut out a square, that's easier. And we can cut this out like that. Like that. There's a little bit of a corner. There's got to be a little bit of corner there. We're saying cool. It's also interfere with the bottom a little bit as well. All right, I need a different shape. A good looking one. Hopefully. All right, let's just sketch some things out here. Ooh, hang on. I want an angle for show. Oh, I got one more. But like, that don't need to, doesn't need to be straight, I don't think. No? That isn't the problem. What is? Nope. Why are you happening around? Oh, whatever. Awesome. Oop. What's that? So something broke? Yep. Something is absolutely not happy right now. Unsolved conversion. What conversion? Which does need to be around, I suppose. I don't know. No clue what happened there, but hey, it worked out. Tension, because I feel like tension. And vertical. Vertical. And tension. Yeah, this one is horizontal and tension. That one is tension. Tension. Oh, cool. I don't need this to be a horizontal. Do I? Oh, no, no. Symmetry. Yeah. Symmetry. Oop. And I over constrained it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's already symmetrical. Okay, so now we just need to figure out this angle here, which is the angle between like that dimension. Yep, 60. 60. Safe angle. Right? That should now cut out and look as. Oh wait, no. Okay. Oh no, I can fix it some other way. Okay. No, because this little meat here seems very thin, in my opinion. So I want to buff it up right there. Just add a big chamfer here. They're not doing it by chamfer. Let's do it by a sketch. All right, because we want it to be symmetrical for the sake of aesthetic. So this side need to be symmetrical. But if we do it, so on this side it should be fine because you know, it built from the base up. But on this side we need to would need to be worried about the overhang, not overhang. So yeah, it's overhang. And that's my notification. Don't worry about it. I'm awkward. Right there. Oh, don't need to do that. Okay, let me try this really quickly. Oh, it didn't broke. Okay. Okay, so what if I do that and that, make a dimension out of that, make it 30. Yeah, because the other one is 60. Oh yeah, it will cover that, but barely. So make it 40 now. So now the this angle now coming up here, the overhang over here is going to be 50, which is not too bad. And I can now do the same over here. So nice not to have to deal with that step file too much. Oh, actual. Now extrude it to face. Like so. Does it really look like? It look a little bit, I don't know. Black ass. I don't know. I mean, look at the front face of a Transformer villain. Oh, I thought you was about to say something. Ooh. So I would say that is. Oh wait, no, I need to put some chamfer in there as well. So time to hide that bad boy. Grab that. Grab that. Oh, you ship. Oh, I know. Oh my god. Why are you spinning so wild? Oh. Remember the brush engine control as your ship brain and it just disappeared. Yeah, 1 mil is good enough. Just checking though. Do check that. So from yeah, it's good. That's good. Okay. That's that. Now I'm going to create a assembly. From stock. I want this a mono item. Stock. Ultra high flow mono. Ultra high flow mono. Yeah, sounds smart. So put the bottom in there. Blow that. Put it there. Blow that. Put it in there. Put that away now. Oh, I'm gonna make this toggle transparent. Toggle transparent. Yeah. There we go. That is what an ultra high flow one thingy gonna look like. But the fan is on top there. I'm gonna have to try and print this out. Just test it, huh? Unfortunately. But it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Every angle here is very conservative. Okay, that's that. Oh. Put that one back on. And I think of what else I need to do. Because honestly, I'm running low on tasks here. The assembly. Perfect. Yeah. Nozzle block. Done that. Bindini. Done that as well. Deal with that. I had a feeling I just finished. I take that back. I'm not finished. God damn it. Right. Oh. So if we are going to just actually let me just use the back really quick. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, that's better shown. I better off showing this via the browser. So let me just go to there really quick and grab my reference point over here as well. How do I do that? Over here. Put down over there. Not sure. So let me see. Uh, Totally should have done this ahead of time, but to be honest, I didn't think I would have made this far into the stream. We can pro. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, here we go. There we go. So, after some painful consideration, I believe I need to add support for the beacon probe on. Actually, I go for this one. Yeah, because of age, basically. I think I need to add support to the beacon to for the system. And why is it turned black? No. But anyway, I want to add the beacon. I swear to God, for some reason it's. Is it? Is it because I blocked stuff? You block? No. Okay, it just broke it. Yeah. Just imagine the beacon, the probe, showing up on the screen right now. And I think I need to add it to the system, partly because, well, I love Voron-Tap as any other, but it has its limit. And for what I want to do next with the system, some of those limits are manifesting. Are going to manifest. What is what I'm trying to say? Not are manifesting. And more specifically, the rigidity problem. So, to account the thing with Voron-Tap is because the rail is mounted by a 3-bolt going straight through it into a piece of plastic. That 3-bolt form a line, so it's not a solid mount. It's not a the most it's not the best way to mount anything. Because that when three points form a line, it doesn't create a plane where the thing can be held down securely. So Voron-Tap has always had a problem with rigidity, because as the thing can just spin around that line that form up the linear rail within it. In addition to that, Voron-Tap is heavy. Voron-Tap is require movement. So if you have something that push down on the tool head specifically, it will actually affect your probing quality. So yeah, so if like an umbilical, for example, if you have an umbilical, for example, that umbilical flexing at differently at different point on the bed will actually have a profound effect on the bed mesh. Not much, and once you break it in, and for both the umbilical and the Voron-Tap, it should sort itself out. As the machine is running right now, it's perfectly fine. But I do not want to deal with that on V2 because I want to add some additional tool head to the system. So, and to add beacon to the system, that is the tab that I was trying to get at here. There are already multiple mounting systems to allow me to do that. So what I'm thinking now is actually this one, with this one here, where he just literally just, well, there you go, yeah, just a little adapter to mount it exactly where the original gantry is looking like there. Oh yeah. So yeah, so this person on printable make an adapter for the beacon to be exactly where the eddy probe would used to be now. The inductive probe is. So I reckon what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna grab the stock boron mount for the stealth burner, and then mod the two chain system onto that, so that way I can retain the bolt pattern that allow me to use the same mod for beacon, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's the idea right now. And of course, actually, first and foremost, I don't. So that's that. Oh, I just realized if I move away from that window, so now I can turn this back on. If it's on, why is it? Oh, there you go. All right, it just some lag behind. Before I do that, though, what I want to do is to make a copy of what I have right now, right? So that I don't lose it. Yeah. And for the new file, I shall not call it that. I shall call it to head design. Yeah, to design. What did doc design? Doc at to alright design. I'm just gonna design. Yeah. Right. So and so rename it from doc to design because now it had the Voron-Tap to sign on it, and I'm gonna build the rail sign on it as well. So we want to, and to do that, first thing first is to grab the stock Voron mount, which where is it? Yeah, I do appreciate I was rambling the whole time there. Well, can't help it. Looks like I have time to edit my speech pattern out of it. Where the hell is my... Oh, Voron still burning? No. Voron 2.4, there we go. Tap. Ah. Oh, wow, this is going to be painful. Alright. Strap here. Alright, so I'm just gonna preempt this and create a new file. Because this Voron, the Voron cat is come all assembled. So give it a moment. The computer is screaming. Hopefully I don't drop any frame. Trying to process all of these step file. But that's it. How's everyone doing in chat? How are you dealing with a heat wave wherever you are? I wish I could have a beer. Maybe some sake. But unfortunately, I ran out of money. Oh, Jesus. This is, you know, I reckon I can play a game of Overwatch and this thing still will still be loading. Oh, right. Should I do that? Let me just grab that window really quick. Don't show that. All right. Okay, I'm going to 120. There we go. Oh god. Waiting Simulator 9000. Alright. If it showed up, someone tell me in the chat because I'm gonna play some Overwatch. Now. Wait, actually, will it even work? Yeah, it worked. Cool. I was worrying that the free cat window gonna go to sleep if I switch to Overwatch, but no, it didn't. So, yeah, I'm just gonna give up a bit. Leave there. Hopefully, I don't break anything in the background while it's loaded. And hopefully, the whole processing the step file is not gonna eat into my frame rate. Oh shit! Processing the step file gonna eat into my frame rate. Uh oh. Check in. Loaded. Still loaded. Yeah, free cash still loaded. Esperanto Hamonu. Wait. Hey, oh wait, no, I want this. This. What? What?
Arriving at
Hanamuka. What the hell am I gonna play? I don't want to aim. Don't want to aim.
From imperfection, we build a new world. The world is a dream, not yet realized.
Oh. Oh my god, what's the hell going on? Unset. Yep,
time is
yes.
money, they say, and I'm not keen on wasting either.
What the hell? Wait, why am I very fire? That's me. Hello?
5, 4, 3, 2,
Oh my god, I'll deal with that. I'll deal with that later. Alright.
Our work begins.
YouTube seemed just freak out on me, so I have no clue what's going on in YouTube right now. Great. But I think I can still see my oh, and of course they have a flyer. It's so loud. Give me a sec. Alright, they got too many blower for me to. Apparently, does this still work? Yep. I need to go for. Yeah. Because I got too many area effect damage for me to go any further. Dude.
I think we're outnumbered.
You wouldn't believe this, but YouTube just asked me to. Can't see shit, Captain! And I miss every shot. Wait, what's wrong with this? Nope.
Got one
Yeah.
here.
I have to aim, don't I?
Someone needs
Gonna have to aim. Oh, by the way, 100.
Objective unlocks in 10 seconds.
Huh.
What's up?
I guess that would be the easiest measure of whether. No. What I'm saying. It is would have been it. What? Why you do that? Oh my god,เขาช็อปไปเฟรมอันนี้เป็นโลเบอร์100ได้ไหมI mistimed that. Oh, I think it loaded. I think, yeah, I think my model loaded. Alright. Finish the game, then go back to that. Oh, also all of this software running in the background, it's killing my frame. I need to go back. Damn it. You go about him? I hope you can. Oh, I rolled myself into that. Get someone, Yep, someone else took the point. Lucio, thank you.
Lucky shot.
You know, if I lose fast, I can actually go back to doing my thing, right?
Understood. Thanks.
I should lose. No, don't run. What I'm saying. Where the hell did this take me?
Let's get to the point. The next one.
I cannot see that.
Objective unlocks in 10 seconds.
Alright, first, option, video.
Time to waste.
Yeah. Cannot lower that to
Hey there. Enemy
150? No, 150. Yeah, because on stream right, being on stream right now, make that, oh, I actually keep 150 though, maybe I have to go down to 100, oh yeah. You're like, flash over here. Of course it hit me. God damn it. Oh, Lucio got it.
Eyes sharp this time.
Objective lost.
Oh my.
Hi.
Damn it.
Sorry about that. Got one here. Fire!
Death ain't on my
At your
doorstep
service.
yet.
2, 1.
Got my name on it.
I'm on the objective. Over here.
I cannot aim. Damn it. They know I'm coming too.
Over here.
Advance to objective 2.
We need to get back to the middle.
Over there. Setting up defense.
What? How is this guy so good? Or did that just suck? Yeah, it just sucks.
Hey, still
Aw.
haven't seen my aim.
Oh wait, we're actually winning.
Yes.
Totally mine.
Let the
Yeah.
Kitsune guide you.
Totally me.
I'm on the objective.
Missed that. Alright, don't get blow up. Get the door. Ooh! We are surrounded. And of course, why they both here.
Cassidy.
Hostiles on the point.
My whole screen is black. Blank. No weapon. No HP. Oh. Oh, tap.
For name.
Oh, tap. Hello.
Objective
Tap.
lost.
In and out. In and out. In and out. In and out. Oh, tap. In and out.
Objective are lost.
I need you to get to do something because I am useless. Yeah, I'm pretty useless. Oh, I swear to God. One more, then match point. It's strain though. The one thing is. Oh, I got a.
Them down.
I blame the frame. Can't even change hero.
Not
Oh, God.
exactly what I expected.
Who's that? That's hurt. I did not got blow up this time. Wait, did we? We never got that point? Hello? Alright, whatever. Yeah. There we go. That was an experience. Let me do this really quick on the other thing because randomly Google just decided, hey, you need to log in to do anything else with that stream. What's my password again? Alright, don't lock myself. Let's hope I don't lock myself. Right, that's good. That's good. Alright. All this just because I want to grab the gantry component. Wait, no. Is it 2-hit? Oh my god. Why are you? Come on. The panels, the assembly? No. AB driver? No. Exit? No. Eh? Gantry extrusion? Exhaust filter? No. Spool panel, bed components, and frame, skirt, electronics. What the hell? Missing. Spool holder. Oh, what am I looking at? Hello. Top extrusion. Good. Oh. Get rid of the frame, maybe. But bad component, no. Panel, yeah, get rid of panel. Right, alright. There we go. Where's that? Hello? Where is that? Maybe it's gantry extrusion? No, not gantry extrusion. Front idler, that's I know what that is. Maybe change. Exit. Oh. Maybe this is X carriage. There we go. Okay. 42, snare changer. Oh my god, there we go. Finally. Is there anything in there that I don't need? Oh, yeah, do not need any of this hardware. Alright. So grab that. Copy that. Alright, just gonna let the machine do what it wants to do. Put it there. Hey. What it brought the pocket bracket there. Whatever. Whatever, that should be fine. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. We should hide everything else though. Hold on, I can actually see what I'm working with. Okay, like that. Man, I like the design. Pretty. What is it? Pretty safe design. This X gantry. But then again, with that, with these two thing here work with. That's odd. I thought we need to put some clearance for the foil here. I assume they dodged it, right? I assume they dodged. Oh. What the? So. Not showing. Where is that? One sec. Oh my god. Yeah. For some reason this was not showing up. But yeah, anyway, I thought. Oh yeah. So I think they had accounted for the space needed for it, right? So that way I don't have, so that's, it should work. Let's have trust in this, whoever this is, this Jake Note person. Yeah, also put in the he also put in the effort to write that instruction as well, so I assume he know what he's doing. Oh, and put buff counter back on as well. Don't want to miss that. I need all this? No, I don't. But I wouldn't need it anyway, so put it back into reference. Right, I'm just familiar myself with what I'm looking at first. So these are the hole where the M3x50 go to, right? The sensors for that. These are the one for the little hook for the extruder, and these for the for the hot end, and this is the tube bolt for the extruder. Okay. So with that in mind, oh wait, no. Oh, actually, there's something else I want to see now. Because you will see here, there's this hole going through that tighten everything together, which present a bit of a problem for me specifically because I was planning to use that space. And now that I think about it, might not be able to do. Excuse me. May not be a good idea to use that space anyway, because this is the phase where everything starts printing from, so I cannot, whatever I do, I need to avoid expanding that way. But I can, maybe I can just make another component that go around this right there to hold the, what I'm trying to say, it's there to hold the the drag train for the USB cable for the beacon or whatever probe you want to put into this slot here. It's quite a universal slot, so you can do whatever there. So let me think about this really quickly. I don't not too keen on this, but like that. Actually, let me check the other side. Yeah, rail side. Hmm. I want to do this independently of that sketch of that assembly there. Where's that one? Hmm. That's assembly there, yeah. So I'm gonna rename that one really quickly to assembly 1. If I can. Hello? Oh my. Wrong button. Oh. The print is 88% done. By the way. Scroll through that on my way back down here. Assembly 1. Wait. Rather than call it assembly 1, I reckon I should just call it dot? For dot? No, that sounds stupid. Let's just call it assembly 1. Okay. For this one, I should grab. Two head side, rail side. Alright, I should start grabbing things and putting them in place instead of yapping. So hide everything. Make a new not a part. Assembly. Why did you call yourself assembly 01? You should be. But what's that? Don't bother. Don't try too hard. Keep on track. We shall grab the the rail side. No, the two head side first. Oh. X carriage frame, yeah, let's do that. Let's grab those actually. Oh my god, why oh wow, it's actually grabbed from other files as well. Which is nice and all, but I got it back and just go away. Close without saving. Yeah. Alright, I'll grab that one. Okay. I want each of those. Left, right. Then go up here. Grab the two head side and that body. Okay. That one should be locked down as well. If I can. Like that. Now, the reason why we do this, okay. Just thinking my way through right now. We need to line some stuff up really quickly. That base and that base should be parallel. Right? Yes. Yes. Parallel joint. Like that. Now save. Always save. That hole and that hole should be concentric. No? What the heck? What's that? Try that again on this side instead. Alright, like that. Good. Should I count that as a bug against FreeCAD? Because that hole and that other hole it's just messed up, but it's not that bad, is it? Maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. We're being nice to FreeCAD today. Right, so that's that. But why are you? Uh-oh. Oh no. That's not good. That is not good. If you're seeing this right now, they're not happy together. Oh, right, there we go. Oh, so that wouldn't do fine. So right, I take that back. I counted that as a free cat but oh, I can feel like the rest of the day gonna be going so damn well already. Ooh. All right, how do we do this? All right, we need to get rid of that because that one is for sure ain't working. Maybe we make that one and that one parallel. Yeah. Instead of concentric, because that seemed to be quite a problem with this today. All right, that's better. So now it can go back and forth like that, and it's going in a perfect world. It's gonna be in place just like that, which would be great. You know that means oh, now if I have it merged into place like that, it will it would have been good, question mark, maybe. No. So basically, the we need to still have space for the sensor down here. Okay, never mind. All right. So that's something. So we're hovering right there, and what gonna determine how this thing gonna hover? Oh my God, it's not that. Ugh. Nice. Alright, save this while I still can. But going to determine where oh, oh, oh. Oh my God, why are you pitching all over the place? Does that look straight? Can we do that? What's that? Yeah, let me just check something. Come on. Let me do it. Let me click on you. Alright, that's fine, that's fine. Because that distance was it restriction did not work out. That means the two faces actually parallel for one. Not that I can't do anything with this. Come on. Come on. Oh, right, because I accept assembly. Of course, there will always be. Oh my God. Slowly pull it away. Oh, sure. All right. Now, do the same thing with this guy. Cancel. Did I accidentally make it parallel or something? Alright, there we go. Yeah. Of course. Right. I assume I got it correctly. And where is that on the... Oh my God. Okay, never mind. I need this need to be enough color. Yeah. And of course it had to choose some of the ugliest color there is, but No worries. That's not a problem. Need to get that to be the same distance. And why is it flip upside down? Oh wait, no, I got it. I got it now. Right. So we need to flip this upside down without violating that rule we just made. That way we now have to deal with the problem. Isn't that? Well, good. And so we're already down here. Let's grab that one and that one. Oh, didn't got selected. Cool. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there gotta be a better color for this. But this whole assembly should travel together now. Yep. Let's save it first, so don't lose anything. Right. Oh my god. This is... And for those who wondering, that's... I also have lost count of how many times I disabled the high-tap cylindrical mating. Come on. Come on. Right. Oh my god. What am I looking at? Ah. Yeah, I'm adding another buff for free cut. I know it's the same thing that as the one we had just now, but at the same time, god damn it. God damn it. Alright. Let's rethink these really quick. Yeah, that one and that one. Let's rethink that. First of all, I want that. Yeah, let's re-enable that. I said rethink, not. Oh, not. Cancel. Let that and that be parallel. Yeah. Where do we scissors at? Alright, so let's start with concentric then. Oh my lord. Alright, oh, that's gone. So deleting things until it's working again. Yeah. And definitely do not save, because right now it is not stable. I don't want the parallel joint, because there's always two possibilities of a parallel joint. So we try to stay away from that and cancel that. I don't think that's a bug in FreeCAD as much as it's a problem with the model, because these two hold probably not the exact distance at these two hold. So you cannot just line them up and mate them, which make it difficult. Because now I can definitely not use that cylindrical mating. How am I doing this? Well, actually, we can in fact just test out. So that distance is 28391. And these two? No, 278. The hell? Oh wait, no, so like it's like 5. It's like it's like what, 0.5 millimeter different? That ain't make no sense. the two got married to each other too hard or something? Could be. Yeah. Get rid of the second round. Oh. Come on. No, 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 it's all fine. Mà tá thì nổi. No, come on. Distant empty. Ooh, hello. Now and now. Make addition. Yeah, and they two should meet. Make a distance. Yeah. Why is it slightly smaller than my own? So it's not a free cat bug. I take that back. It's just a modeling problem. I don't know why. Why did we have them as such? What am I gonna do about it? Alright. Let's think this through. The thing that I want from this assembly is a reference point for these pin here. I want to use the same pin pattern for the two in tap and chain system. Oh wait, I can do this other thing. Yeah. Okay, this may work. Okay, let me just hide this. No, because I was dead set on this one item here, which I can now hide, because that is the money shot, right? That's the one that attached to the two head. But if I use this one, we have this hole here, which should be the same as those two hole on that one, because that one is no, it's not. All right, never mind. Okay, no. These holes supposed to go to the on an M9. Those two are supposed to burn on the M12 carriage. So the whole pattern is not the same. Never mind. So I have to go back to this guy. Like that. Why aren't you lined up? If possible, do a comparable, well, if possible, do a compatibility. Oh, compatible with Voron-Tap from Chaotic Lab. No, I will not do that. It's a rabbit hole, man. Yeah, I know what you mean. It's a rabbit hole. I really don't want to go down to. The reason why the first version of Voron, of the first version of the what is it called, of MissChanger had it only used stealth burner, is because it's stock. The key is being stock. I can reference the same thing over the place, and it what allow me to actually do what I have done with the new version as well. So if I can show it up again, just like that. That one. Yeah, there we go. The reason why the counting from the A4T just literally just fit into the Voron the MissChanger dock right away without any modification at all, because I based the mounting pattern of the tap and change system on MissChanger after the Voron-Tap pattern, the default Voron-Tap pattern. And by referencing to a default stock, to a default good thing like Voron-Tap, whether it's Voron-Tap or the default stock from for the stealth burner, so which that is testing here. These two here, by using the stock 3D printed version, I can that will expand the compatibility with other things. So the reason why I'm using this right now, because this will commit to allow me to expand the compatibility to what's called other probing system and all of that. So back to the Voron-Tap, okay, or the last Voron-Tap thing. It's not Voron-Tap, those guy, the aluminum carriage is more of Voron-Tap inspired. That is to say, it do the same thing, but it completely different design. They redesigned the whole thing to do what they to make it CNC. So no, I'm not doing that. I'm not. It's a rabbit hole that if I support one, then what about the other one? And especially if I support that one gonna stuck. Everyone just stuck to that one, and just I don't have time, don't have money. Sorry. Yeah. And also, you notice I'm just blabbering about. Man. Ah. Let me try this. Oh my god. Come on. 16.6. Dimension 16.6. Alright, so that is perfectly made. I still don't understand why these holes are slightly off from what I have. So if I save that, and I grab that, and I grab that. Yeah, it's like a millimeter off. Save that. How do we deal with this? What size Voron do you have? Oh, 350 millimeter. The bed. Yeah, I got the bigger. I got the biggest standard size one. For now, I want to get a 300 millimeter bed LDO kit soon. How do we do this? How do we do this? So wait, what about these hole then? These, oh, get rid of this now. Right, we know for a fact that these ain't gonna work. Yes. So what these hole? What about these hole? 28.1. Oh, reset. 28.1, that is an exact number. That's good to know. 28.18. Son of a bitch. Oh god. Are you seeing this? Oh, why? Oh, I should have known it better. Oh my god. What do I do? Reset. Okay, so about that. 2960. Oh, 3951. 39506. Reset. 39. What do we do with this? How we doing this? Reset, close, go to the path. Yeah. Okay. We need to deal with fire parallel my god, and we need to do it via parallel spaces. But what faces need to be parallel? First and foremost, let's just grab those two for now. Oh, simply so grab those because we know for a fact that they should be parallel. Yeah, like that. And of course, with the help with those like that. Okay, let's do that. Cool. Be careful, don't move it way out of line. Can we grab that one and that one? Can we make those two meet? Like, no way. The closest thing we have is these two, is these both, right? So it's better if yes, it will be slightly off. It's 0.08 off. Oh wait, yeah, I got it. So instead of these two, no, because what I'm trying not to get involved with Alright, that surface and that surface need to be parallel. Alright, do we need that? No, we just need to make it concentric around that hole, isn't it? Well, I have a stupid answer, but I think that is the correct one. Yeah. Alright, brought back that piece. That's facing that place, should be at a 0, it should be meeting line back. That one, spin it around. Oh my god. Alright, there we go. That one, oh. That one and that one. That face. And that face should be like that. Yep. Oh, careful. That one and that one. Because I said an angle should lock them together. Cool. Cool. So, anyway, long story short, I think this and that. Yeah, because there's a gap between these two. We want to reserve that when we try to do it. Go over the other thing. So we grab that and make them same. Okay. This is tough, but it's work. So stick with that and save it. Don't let it broke. No. Pom pom. So we should create a copy of that. No? Not a copy? Yeah, copy's fine. Part design. make a copy, transform copy. What's this? I don't know. It didn't work. Nothing changed. Like that. On. Create a copy. Symbol copy. Yeah. Make a symbol copy. Actually, because we need that as well. Let's just make a symbol copy of that. We move on. Right, left. Yeah, so now we're gonna hide. Oh no, we're gonna hide that. We want to edit this. So we make a body out of that. Yeah. No. Can I spell that again? Right. Where is my other piece? Hello. Okay, something was definitely wrong for a second there. So I'm just gonna clone it, make a clone. Don't touch it. Yeah, make a clone of that. So these can now, these three, I mean, can now go into the reference box where I can minimize it temporarily. Before that though, I need to rename this to reference assembly 2. No. Right, so that one now. Oh, I'll hide these two. Reference body 2. Actually, we want that to be the bottom. We want that to be the bottom. Yes, well, we know that both of that came after that. Not the other way around. This is the clone of what? One on the right side. Yep. Expert right. X. Let's reference the name as well. Carrot. Right. Mod. Modified. Mod. Sound a little bit. Speaking of modified, I may want to make a body of that as well, huh? Yeah. Art design. So, where's part of it? Wait, no. Can I not just add that as a reference? And why is it disappearing? Does not show up. Hello? Okay, so if I grab that, make right, make a reference to it. It should show up, right? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh. Alright. That's perfect. So now I can grab this face because I don't need to do much, don't I? Just think about this. Think it through. No, in fact, I mean, I'm good. Okay. Oh my. Sometimes I spin too hard. Yeah. Let me just grab a sample I have on my hand here. Just feel this out really quick. Oh wow. Yeah. I don't did too much. Alright. Okay. Life is good. Make a service there. Okay. Gonna need to get some food soon. You can tell that the way I speak and the way I click things are slowing down. I'm gonna devolve into a incoherent mess in a minute. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. Like that. So. Right, so I can grab that and connect the dots. The shape is important there because that's the thing that accepts the right. Come on, up you go. Reverse roll. Hope I didn't break anything. I did not. Oh wait. Shit. Well, I'll think about it in a sec. Okay. This piece, that brown, that gray piece there. That piece. Did not line up yet. That is made. This piece is made to be printed on that side. So that is gonna lay like that on the bed. So me cutting out this groove here gonna cause some trouble that gonna have to work over it in a sec. I have to figure out how to deal with. How do I deal with that? How am I dealing with that? Maybe we can make rather than trying to modify this piece, we can add another piece as a just have it as another piece to bolt onto it. Yeah, maybe there is hole here that we can use to put something in there, right? Let's put back the binder back on really quick. And put let me put back the reference here. Yeah, not all of this is needed. Well, all of this one is needed. Yeah, so this cutout is absolutely needed, but not all of this down here is needed. I only need to cut out this little corner there. Okay, good to know. What's the status of my print? Oh, it's almost done. It's almost done. Oh, we captured that. Do we capture that? I mean, Do we need this whole section? Yeah, no. Yeah, we think too much. Once again, getting hungry. Let's just grab that, make a random plane. Do the same thing I did up on top. Carve out. Yeah, carve out these shape first. That one, that one, that one. Yeah, that's straight. Yep, one sec, fix that in a bit. Oh. Actually, don't need that, don't need that. Make those two. And delete that. Dimension there. Okay, 7, yeah. That sounds good. Why is these two need to collide? Like so. So, and that, why is that not connecting? Hello? There we go. Alright. Alrighty. Oh wow, maybe 7 may not be enough. Reverse up to face. Yeah, I need this whole section to go. Okay. Maybe a bit more. Actually, I don't like it to be that close. So go back in there. Make it an 8. Cool. Now I can hide this. And now we need to think through this. Okay. First and foremost, we don't need that hole. Yeah, that's supposed to be, that is meant to go with the credit insert for the for the M3 by 50, but we don't need that, right? Oh shite. All right, to take it away for now. I need to put another item here, and that is the upper, yeah, the upper piece. That, oh, that is gonna throw a wrench into everything. Do I need an upper though? Do I need an upper? No, if I done, is it done? Yeah, it's done. Hey, the thing is done. Let's go look for, let's go see it. Yeah, and I want that camera back too, so that I can show you what I'm talking about in terms of the upper, because it may not be needed. Really? Give it a moment. Cleaning the two head. Yeah, cooling down. It's cooling down. Cooling down. Is it me or the thing is not showing really? Oh wait, no. It's just like, it's just delay. Right. Oh. Right. Yeah. Do it. Oh, what's up? I'll do this off camera. I can't do this on camera. All right. 1 second. I'll do it off camera and bring it to the table. Bông 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 bông. Okay. That's everything I believe. Let me set up the camera really quickly. Lights on. Wave. Go on. Okay. Cable management. All right. All right. Just cable management. Cool. So, let me just grab my stuff. All right. Oh, good. Right, some of the pieces had fallen off. When I yanked them off the bed. No, some of the support had fallen off before when I yanked it off the bed. So what is all that left? Just we'll remove it. There we are. Yeah. So if you wasn't here yesterday, actually, I had it right here. Yesterday, when I printed this down out the first time around, it did not go out too well. You can see that. Ooh, you can also see my disgusting fingers. But yeah, you can see the little mango on the corner there. So that make me roll it off for a bit. But then I thought again this morning, and then I go like, okay, I can't just paint more support around it. So I did. And it turns out to be rather decent, to be honest. Sure. So the original, the automated support was not doing its job there. And because I printed on the side, this side there, so this surface looked great. Well, this one is print entirely on support, so it looked a little scuffed, but not too bad. The thing that's supposed to go on top of it is this guy here. With look. Not bad. Not bad at all. We'll glue that in together in a bit. For now, let's just get rid of it. Runaways, piece support. This is what it looked like if I print everything in this one piece. So here, as you can see, there's a little string here. And that is because, once again, it's easier to support a perfect rectangle than it is to support a weird shape like this with a little protrusion on the corner there. So that's what the first thing I did on the stream. That is to just remove the protrusion for that face, that layer. And now just get rid of that. Yeah, surface the support just fell right off. Oh. Shouldn't have put the bin so far away. Like that. Support surface looking good. Nice. So the problem with this, bringing everything in a single piece, is this bridge here. This is where the magnet is supposed to be pressed in place, but the concern is this is too weak. So this is what it looked like. This is another version of it, older version. So you can just see I can just bend it and immediately break like that. And I broke up this end here when I tested it. So that's why I don't want that too much. But I'm still debating whether I should go with this or not, because this cannot stay at is. The current mating between those two little components are not sufficient to hold the two head. What you're gonna have to do is I'm gonna push everything over the side now and get my grass pad here. And some acetone mixture. That's to say, just acetone with a bit of ABS in there. So ABS slurry. Oh, yeah, what that was called. Paintbrush and gloves. I sure don't want that in my hand. Maybe I should keep the gloves on at all. No, whenever I show my hand here on this camera, so that I don't have to deal with my. So you guys don't have to stare at my rear hands all the time. Very unaesthetically pleasing, I must say. Move that away because that is plastic and I don't want that to melt. How am I gonna position this? Like that. Alright. So the idea is that paint some acetone on these two surfaces and then snap them in place. Right? And to make sure they are in place, and push it on against the board, the chopping board like that, and use a clamp to press them in. Okay, that's that. Let's do it. Any final thought on the plan? Oh, what? I don't think so. Will there be a kit available for MissChanger? I don't think so. The key with kits is that you need some manufacturer to actually support you. I cannot make a kit here in the UK at any reasonable price. And as far as I know, the LDO, the manufacturer that is the most trusted in the space, is already hooked up with the Stealth Changer team. And to be fair, they were the they were the more established platform and all that. And I know what they did for the kit as well, and a lot of work will have to go there. So I doubt they would want to jump on this one anytime soon. I'm just giving this a surface treatment before I do all the gluing bit, because that but oh, the smell. All right. Let's not have any of this on my LTT desk pad. That would be a disaster. So I flip this upside down actually. Oh, just turn off the camera there. Push that up far away as possible. Back on together. I need to soften up the tip of the brush there because it was in the air for a while and it's got solidified. The ABS that the ABS slurry that attached to it. Yeah, that's good enough. Just a thin layer, one thin layer at a time, and already messed up. A lot of little spill there. Oh my. You say art and craft was a bad idea. People love to have some more experience with a brush right now. It's showing up on the camera. Less is more, maybe? No, more is more. The problem with this, actually, honestly, the biggest one is that it's going to lock everyone into ABS as the base material for the system. And that actually a big problem for me personally, because I want to try PCCF for my hotter printer, not a hot printer, hotter printer. Alright, follow the script, ram it in place, place on the place on the chopping board, and climb it in place. Okay, maybe. There we go. There we are. You can tell there's some gap between the thing there, so I'm thinking I can just add some of this in here, from here on this side, just fill in the gap. Oop, my bad. But hopefully it melts enough material into place. Ooh, right, that's maybe too much. Is it? No, it's just soaked right in. Alright. Yes, and also obviously, if this is the final thing that got that going on the machine, I'll use the slurry that had the same color as the material that I'm working with. Speaking of color though, that is another thing that is I'm keen to do with this specific design, because now this is in two piece. This can be made a different color and that can be made a different color, or without much effort at all. Well, obviously except for the part where you have to glue it together like this. So I'm just that's it, basically it. I just need to just leave it aside for it to hold vapor away. And add some more acetone there, because that side there had a large gap between the two parts, which I don't really like, but there we go. Just move the clamp up so that it's clamp get closer together as much as possible. I really should stop adding more acetone slurry here. Really should. So let me just spread things out a bit and then put it aside. Yeah. Put things away as well so that I don't just feel like adding more when I feel just because I feel like it. Cool. Alright. I'll keep the gloves on. I don't like to look at my fingers on camera. Put it out of there. Don't touch the keyboard. That keyboard's made out of ABS. So, looking at this one now. This one, once again, is print all in one piece, looking like that. And if I take the cowling, put it on top. Why does it not feel like a fit? It does, but it doesn't feel like it. Yeah, I think... Oh, right, I think I got it. The reason was this curve here. I think it's bent inward more than the other version that I had. Huh. Oh well. Wait, no. What was it, that edge? Uh-oh. Yeah. No problem. Just to remind myself what it was before. Yeah, it was like that. It was perfect fit. Why did it not fit now? I think. What about that one? Was that fit? That one should be printed in the same orientation, right? Yeah. Okay. This one fit fine. Did not work, and that was a motorcycle outside. Yeah, you can see it. That angle there is not what I want it to be. Let's go to the turn that off. Let's go to the turn that on as well. Assembly. Top, bottom, front model. Yep. And put the assembly back on. Mono. Okay, not the mono one. I want this. No, not that. Oh. Did it intrude into the space? Oh, it did. Didn't see it then. You can see it. Yeah, the model. At some point, it curved inward. Why did it do that? I don't get it. Why does it do that? Alright, back up. So what point did it start doing that? Pocket? Yeah, it's the trap. It's the trap that got it. Oh. Son of a bitch. Okay. Oh, I get it now. So when you push this space backward, that point gonna get pushed backward too. And what happened is at that point pushed backward there would create a it got pushed backward, and so that it pushed the this space forward a bit, and that interfere with the tool head. Oh. Alright, that's annoying. But not too bad, not too bad. I mean, what if, no, what I'm saying. Yeah, we do that later. So that is something we need to fix in a bit. But for now, let's just proceed with the idea that it's not it's with the let's imagine that bit. Let's imagine it bit, and trying to assemble this thing together now to see if anything can go wrong. So already did that other one. You would have thought that I had prepared the pieces beforehand, but I in fact have not. And now you will look for it. What? Oh, there it is. No, no, that's just a bundle. Where am I something wrong? Wait, actually. Oh, almost dropped my phone there. Let's try something really quick. It's not gonna work, but I do want to try this. Like sizing wise. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah, one sec. Go look for stuff. Back the stuff, pick the stuff. Work up. Oh, I know, I went up the upside. So it's that. At some point you accumulate enough stuff that you really should start throwing things out so that I know where important bits are. Yeah, I'm looking for some M3 3mm rods for to connect the two dots together. Found them. All right, found my rods. Right. Small, beautiful rods. So I need two of these. I need them to go through that hole, but tightly. Oh, so I need a hammer. Where's my hammer? Mallet would fine. Yes. Yep, let's try the mallet. Nope. Wish I could turn on the ultra wide right now. It make a lot in framing a lot easier. First, Before we do anything more, just test if this go through this hole first. Oh, there's some resistance in there. One sec. Get a drill. Let me get a drill. Oh my. That smelled okay. Not too bad. Dun, 3 mil, 3 mil, 3.5. No, 3 is good. 3 is good. Let's grab a 3 first. Grab a drill here. Oh my. Doesn't matter. Dun, dun, dun. Clean out that hole. Clean out that hole. Clean out this hole. Oh, I should look fine. So it's the rod that had that problem, huh? Oh yeah, you can see that there's a flare on that rod. So I need to be right back. Need to file that down. Should work now. Yeah, like that. That's one. I'll file the rest of them too. So I got 3 more to go. Other side. All right. Done. The other one. Oh, I know. Oh wow, this is compatible with 300 Trident, right? Yes. I'm pretty sure someone had got it running on a 300 millimeter Trident on the MissChanger Discord. Or at least trying to. I haven't heard back from them for a while. Regardless, version 2, which is what I'm designing right now, is going to be built on top of a 300 millimeter Trident. Voron, still everyone put a bit more specific. Ah, there we are. Both fit and sliding quite smoothly too, which is good. Now, time to hammer this in. Not from that direction. So, no, wait, no. Almost make a fool out of myself. Yep, so it's flush. Did I just make a fool out of myself? Yes, I did. Um, 10 mil rod really quick. Random. Whoops. Alright. So this should go first. Alright. Oh wow, what the heck with this? I definitely do need to make that hole a little bit smaller, huh? A little bit bigger, huh? One sec. I'm doing it now. Gonna widen it with a drill so that I don't have it doesn't split like that. Hmm. So, among the thing to fix, that is another one of those. Alright, let's back it out. Oh, that's gonna be a pain to clean up later. There we go. Oh my god. Gloves. Ah, I think the glove is in the glove too. Nope, the glove's fine. Why is it open up like so widely? Oh well, deal with that later. Later. Oh, way later. That one should go on like that. This one, on the other hand, definitely do need a 10 mil wider. I swear to God, this is. Going like that. This one is upside down. Ah, it's supposed to go the other side. Went through. Yeah, it just currently made to go like that, which is not great for just testing because I want it to be all on the same side. Wait, do I want them all to be on the same side? Let me think about this. No, I don't. Okay. Let's just keep widen this. Give it a tad more room. Decide on whether how tight I want that to be. Really. Well, actually, it's not about what I want. But I think about it because ultimately it's down to the gravity. How hard and how tight can it get away with, and can while still being able to bring itself down with the gravity, with the weight of the tool head. Of that. Alright, I know there's like 5 people hanging out in chat right now, so and I cannot tell how many people none of you, any of you have liked the video, so yeah, I'm gonna do the good old YouTube thing and ask you to like the video if you like what you see. For sure, one of you maybe my sister. I don't think she out. Yeah, so how are we doing this? Oh my god, does it just flash up? Do you just flash? I swear to God, I think it just flashed. The camera just flashed on me. I'm not crazy. And I hope the neighbors also are not angry at me. Oh, okay, I can do that. Sure. Dun -dun. Oh, how are we doing this? Oh, well, this one go down. No, this one is a bit low, so it doesn't matter. Oh no, we got the wrong one. All right. All right, liars. So far, and honestly, I think I'm happy with the tolerance on these holes specifically because they are meant to be tough to they're meant to friction hell the pin in place. So I am happy for it to be a little tight here. But as if I can find the other piece, okay, here we go. Obviously, alright. No balancing. So we want this to be in with that. Right. Like that. Okay. So put that in first. Oh, we need to wind that out as well. It's strange because this, you can tell that this drill bit is like exactly 10mm and it going in and out just fine, but then this supposedly 10mm rod is struggling with that. But I'm assuming there's some sort of temperature, some expansion with the temperature right now on that. Oh, no, don't forget the other thing. Man, I have a feeling writing the shit. I forgot. The whole point of this is test the goddamn dock working. Alright, need to thread this through first. Like that. Obviously. Let's go like that. Not too long right now, but doesn't matter. Can I hammer it all the way through though? Can I twist it in? Yeah, I can. Nice. Oh. Don't, not all the way though. I want it one bolt head away from all the way in. So let me grab myself a bolt head here. What number am I looking for? 6? Yeah, 6. M36. That one. I can count. Clearly I can't. And two of them, but for now, just keep with that. So I'm gonna shove that in there. Oh my god. Okay, maybe not. Oh my god. I might need to lose the gloves. It is getting to my nerve. Oh, too much. Nope, some more. I know I don't want to be exact. One is T. Let's go. Think about it. There we are. That's that one. I'll do the other one. We'll go like that, right? Yeah. So in other words, this one, yeah, this one go first. Oh, the buttery smooth action there is nice. That one go like that. So, can I hammer in? Yes. Now it will be easier once when I get down to actually cutting the bolt, the rod. But once again, this is just a prototype, so I don't want to. Maybe for next time, I think. Flush these bolts so that I can more easily move it in. Ow. Yeah, hello. Uh-oh. Maybe. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, like that. Right, that's perfect. And only did you realize now that you need to put the M3 in. Uh-oh. That's not good. Might have to just cut the bolt after all. Yeah, because that isn't interfering with this thing going down. Ah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Put it in. This felt very flimsy. Not gonna lie. Alright, take the glove off. I can't take this. With a sweaty hand underneath the gloves. Oh. Well. There we are. And that go like that. And now I can start screwing things together. Screw the let's see what fit here. Because this going there. Oop. And there's like 1 millimeter of space, 10 millimeter of space behind that into that block there. So that was an M3 by that was an M3 by 18. Oh wow, that's huge already. 20 M3 by 18, 20, 25 maybe. Yeah. I got for M3 by 25. See how that go. Hopefully better than what I had just been through. That's not a good sign. No, that's fine. That's 2. That's 1 there. Where is the hell? Did I took it out and just walk away? Where's the 2 point? Screw it. I use this one. The trusty old X driver. Oh, put it down, put it down. Don't make a mess in case you have to. And then. Oh wait, no. On that, grab my M3 by 6. Put it on this side. Yeah. Good thing I remember. It would have been bad if I don't. I think it's already bad. That is. Alright. Pull this out. Yeah, fortunately. It's not as if this is the first time I ever done this. Ta-da. Where is my 2.5 mil driver? Oh, that's one. Need to do that one as well. Eh. Oh god. The yeah, the one on the rod here definitely need to be loosened up in cat. And I have to unscrew it, unfortunately. Check it out. Yeah. Alright, so enough. That's enough. That's why something just splashed on me again. Just wiggle it out. Yeah, like that. Okay, and 3x6. Drive in that hole. Cool. Now, are we even doing it the same right way? Oh, that's not good. Yeah, because you can see. Alright, okay. Yeah, there's somewhat one note to have there. But let me just hammer this one in first. Oh wow, that was a brilliant idea to take it out from this side, because now I can hammer in this one side like that. Not too worried about it. Here's what I'm saying. Yeah, so there's a problem right there, because in there, when this actually come together, these two supposed to hug this thing very tightly. And yes, you can see there that little protrusion that meant to hold the whole carriage in place is actually interfering. No, that little that little M3 by 6 there is interfering with this coming all the way down. So I need to make a cutout for it, or figure out some way to just get the compatibility out of the way. Right now, just yeah, I'm just staying like that, which is not good. Which I think about it. Which I think about it now, I should just. Yeah, I don't need to. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Angling this. In place. Ah. Oh my. I swear to God, I'm go. If you hear something go kaboom, that's my coffee mug shattering in the background. Yeah, yeah. So you know. So then I'm trying not to do that, but if that happened, I want to clip that, Post it over the place to make me famous, please. Oh, alright, that's it. That's good. And why it's stuck? Something's stuck. I believe I put the boat in the wrong side. Oh wait, no, it's fine. There we go. Beautiful. Actually worked better than I thought. Minus the part where it doesn't really work that well on the other end. Not really want anything there, just need some leverage to push it in. Ow. Put it in place. Why does this feel like it's not gonna work? Am I crazy? I feel like I'm crazy here. Not crazy. Oh wait, yeah, no. There's supposed to be a spacer here. So I was like, why is it the two in and outer pillar was interact on each other? They were not meant to be. And then I realized I need to put a pillar in place. Now I'm speaking with a soft voice to make sure. Alright, there we go. Oh, this is gonna be a penny ass to prototype later. And of course, the pin is not really have to make it like what? With 0.2 millimeter of tolerant die. Oh my. That's my monitor. Oh, there we go. I was like, why are you spinning? Wait, there we go. Yeah, so we got 3 things that I need to fix, and that is the first one is how the hell I should have wrote it down. Now I can remember. It's oh yeah, make the hole here widen so that it goes slot in easier. Alright, I just lose the spacer. I don't think the spacer is gonna work for now. It's just too small. System is just too small for that. Actually, do I need a spacer here? Yeah, I don't need a spacer. I think, well, because think about it. If I think about it, there is no reason that the outer rod will be able to interfere with the inner rod because it's already gliding on each other on this end here. So I don't need a spacer at all. Okay. Right. Alright. Come on. Coming in. By the way, do you guys like the what it called? The Overwatch music in the background. Alright. Okay. Why it should go down, but it's not. Why is that? Something interfering? Oh, right. So the idea is that this thing can go up and down like that, and it's gonna lock and unlock the mechanism. But as you can tell, it sees halfway through. So this needs to touch that plate there, and the reason why it's not because one, that little pin there completely block off the the rod inside, and even when it got down there, that second pin there, that second bolt there, gonna blocked up with the dog, so it's not gonna touch no matter what. So what I'm gonna do now, because it's still an experiment, is that I'm gonna take this one off. Actually, I'm gonna take both off if I can, to see how well the range of motion is, and then we can figure out how to get it working on the cat later. The lighting here is not great at all. But, oh wow. Right, got that out of the way. This should go. Yep. So that is the range of motion that I wanted from this. Alright, up and down, up and down, up and down. Oh wow, a decent man. So yeah. Okay. All right, I need a pen and paper. Give me a sec. Because I need to make a note. Take the two things that need to be done here. I'm writing it down. Actually, you don't need to see that. Wider hole for the clamp. Yeah, the holes for the 10 mil dock bar. That's 1, 2. Reevaluate the locking mechanism. Interference lock mechanism interfering. Locking pin interfering. Yeah. Locking pins interference. Here. The interference in 3. Actually, this should have been 2, but now it's 3. I don't need a spacer for the outer. I don't need a spacer for the outer pillar. No spacer for outer pillars. All right. I think that's good. I don't want to go too far. I mean, this is literally just my 3rd stream, and it is the first stream anyone ever donate anything. So thank you to Ken for donating. Much appreciated. Obviously this prototype 1 barely working, not even to get fully together. Prototype 1 barely working, not even fully together, but it's a start. I think I'm gonna stop for today. Nope. Oh my god. Yeah, you can tell that I'm rambling on. I need to stop for today. I've been streaming for a couple hours. Oh, I've been streaming for 3 hours now. It's time to stop. Need to stop rambling. As I said, I have wrote down all the points that need to be made in the cat. So that's I'm gonna do in the video next tomorrow. Not a video, the stream tomorrow. Yeah, gotta fix that. Hopefully the stream after that is a stream where I print out the second prototype. So basically one stream for catting, the other stream for prototyping. And we'll see how many times this need to go before we get a functional system. And once again, if anyone, well, actually, I don't think anyone will. Oh no, actually, some of you were in the last stream yesterday, and the idea is I want to get this done before August, because in August I will have enough, finally have enough funding for a Trident build, an LDO Trident build that I'm eyeing right now. By the end of next month, I will have that. I will be able to buy it and start building this thing. So hopefully all of these little knick-knack on the docking system will be sorted out by that point, so that when it came, I can build everything together all at once and see how that go. With that said, for those who are who joined the stream with thought on the version 1 of the system, so nothing there. And wondering if you are wondering if you should wait for version 2 or not. Well, first and foremost, they will be built on 2 different platforms. The version 1 that I just shown there is built with the 2.4 in mind, so it's built around the 2.4. The next version is going to build with the Trident, and 2.4 compatibility is more of a you know, an add-on to that, more of a maybe rather than actually fitting. The same thing go around the other way around. Version 1 may fit on a Trident. It's designed to fit on a Trident, but I don't have a Trident to put it on, so I don't know for sure. And yeah, that's gonna be the plan. And tomorrow, so with that, thank you for watching. And I don't have an ending screen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. Ending.